Hello friends, welcome. So I was reviewing this Python programming on this ClickSkills. So I was just quickly reviewing the things, variables, type of variables, list, tuple, sets, then strings, dictionary, then math operation. And when I was reviewing these conditions, so as per different conditions,
ठीक
we
आहे.
can get
मार्क्स जर
different
40 पेक्षा कमी असतील तर फेल.
outputs, different desired outputs. So, looking at this, I was thinking about this latest budget. So, broadly looking, this is the tax slabs from 0 to 3 lakh, no tax. Here I am not considering this standard deduction 75,000, 87A. I'm not considering this, I'm making it simple. So, up to 3 lakhs, no tax. 3 to 7, 5%. That means for these 4 lakhs, 5% tax. 7 to 10, 10%. Then 10 to 12, 15%. 12 to 15, 20%. And 15 onwards, 30% tax. So just to check in the for visualization, I check in this spreadsheet. So first 3 lakhs, no tax. 4 to 7 for these 4 lakhs, 4 into 5%, that will be 20,000. These 8 to 10, these 3 lakhs, 10%, so that makes rupees 30,000. Then 10 to 12, for these 2 lakhs, it is 15%, so that makes rupees 30,000. Then 12 to 15, these 3 lakhs, 20% tax, that makes rupees 60,000. That means if anybody has annual income of 16 lakhs, then first 15 lakhs will be calculated as per summation of this 20 plus 30 plus 30 plus 60, that makes rupees 1 lakh 40,000, plus whatever the excess. For 16 it will be 1 lakh excess, that will be calculated by 30%. So looking at the conditioning video, I was thinking to make a Python programming for income tax, just broad thinking. So here I make it as income, how much your one input, how much your annual income. Then if it is less than 3, there will be no tax. And 3 to 7, your so here I made input how much your annual income. You have to enter your figure. Then if it is less than 3 lakh, output will be your income tax is 0. If it is 3 to 7, it will be 5%. 7 to 10, it will be 10%. 10 to 12, it will be 15%. 12 to 15 will be 20%, and 15 onwards will be 30%, as we saw in the spreadsheet. So let's run it and say how much your income. For example, I put 3 lakh. The output is your tax is 0. Again, I'll run the program. This time I'll put 4 lakh 50,000. So your tax will be 7,500. If I run it again and say 6 lakhs, for example, so your tax will be 15,000. If I make it say for 8 lakhs, it will be 15,000. Now if I go for I will run it again. How much your income? 10 lakhs. So it will be 50,000. Now I go further, run again. 11 lakhs. So it will be 65,000. If we go to 13 lakhs, it will be 1 lakh. Tax will be 1 lakh. Now, if we go further, say 15, 15 lakhs, the tax will be 1 lakh 40,000. If you go further, say 16 lakhs, tax will be 1 lakh 70,000. Likewise, if I check for 26 lakhs, it will be 4 lakh 70,000. So this is good for a quick visualization. And what is the takeaway from this one? For income 26 lakhs, if we divide in the house with two persons, 13 lakhs and 13 lakhs, we'll see how much it will be. For 26 lakhs, it is 4 lakh 70,000 rupees tax. If I make it now divide into two, say 13 lakhs, tax will be 1 lakh. So for two person, 13 and 13, it will be 2 lakhs. So for against 26 lakh, tax was 4 lakh 70,000. But if we split into 13, 13, it will be 1 plus 1, 2 lakhs. So this is good for quick reviewing and practice of the programming. Thank you.